How to remove members area on Wix website. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how easy it is to remove the members area and make your website as simple as possible. So follow up the tutorial from the beginning till the end and you are going to be good to go. The first thing that you need to do is to head over wix.com, sign in for an account, and here we have the site's dashboard. This method of deleting the members area will be only available for the websites that has the members area. So we are going to select one of the websites that contain a member area, for example, that has the access to it. Now we are going to make sure that we have the members area installed. We are going to head over apps and we are going to check. So we are going to type in members area and we are going to see Wix members area and we are going to see it right there. It is installed. So we are going to head over the setup or the home page of the dashboard. We are going to click on design site or edit site. From here, we are going to see, as you can see here, the website itself. Here we have the login bar. That means it is active. Now, what I am going to do is to click on pages and menu. From here, we are going to see all the content of the website. We have the sign up and login, members area, and etc. So I'm going to head over the members area. We're going to get here some actions on the gear icon or the editing right there. Click on here. You can manage the members area from here, edit the profile, privacies, members, sign up settings, and delete members area. So we are going to click on here. Yes, delete, please. We are going to wait for the installation of the app and you're going to see the login bar has disappeared. So this is basically it. Now, what are we going to do is to check if everything is gone. So here, as you can see, we have no members area yet. That was all for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content and hope to see you soon on the next one.